To apply background blur to a photo in the Gallery app on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, open Gallery app and then open the required photo you like to blur its background. Swipe up from the bottom of the photo. Next, tap background blur icon. Here you can adjust the blur level. To do so, slide the blur level adjustment bar to the left or right. The higher the level, the more blurred the background will be. If you are satisfied with the result, tap Save to save the change and apply the selected blur level to the background. Given to the function, you can add background blur to a photo when you want to highlight the main subject, to protect privacy when there's a sensitive or identifiable information in the background, or when the background is unattractive. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.